Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to point our domain from Ionos hosting to Hostinger hosting. So this is our domain and we are going to point this domain to this Hostinger. So we already added domain. Now you see domain not connected. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to add name server for Hostinger hosting in Ionos hosting. Now you see, so this is our domain and then you see action, so click on it and then you see name server, so click on it. Now go to Hostinger and then you see check guide, so click on it. So you will see instruction. Now copy this and then you see connecting your domain might take up to 24 hours. So we are going to add both these name server in Ionos. Now back to and then you see edit name server, so click on it. So we are going to add it. Now paste. Now you see name server 1, name server 2 edit ns1.dns-parking.com and then you see name server 2 ns2 and then click on save. Now you see your custom name server will be applied. It can take up to 48 hours for the changes to take effect with the other provider. Name server successfully changed. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.